Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are getting ready to blast off. In this video, we have some very big things to cover, so stay tuned. What's up, Myles? It's everyone here, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. I have many years of investment and trading experience, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. If you want to get access to when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you can message me, you can talk to me on the phone. I can build you a portfolio. You can learn technical analysis and much more. Join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description. We're going to get started right now, but before we do so, make sure you smash up the like button, break the like button. It helps us support the channel. It helps us support the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments below, when do you think that we will start to be in the second bull run? Within 30 days, within 60 days, or within 90 days or more? So Elon Musk changed his picture on Twitter, and this sent cryptos skyrocketing yesterday. Dogecoin started to blast off and cryptos were left in the dust, and then they started to actually start to move as well. So that was very, very awesome to see. Elon Musk, he also changed his description: meme necromancy while you wait. So honestly, I think what this means, a lot of you guys already know what this is, but necromancy is basically consulting the dead for future knowledge. So what I think he's talking about is he's going to be making memes and doing cool things for Dogecoin while you wait. Wait in what? Wait for the bull run to kick off, because it's about to blast off. Elon Musk changed his profile picture to have Doge eyes, that he's looking and seeing Doge through his sunglasses. He's got that Doge vision, but he's also getting a reflection because he's looking up to Doge. He's looking up to Doge because he knows that Doge will be going to the moon and much further as time goes on. We will hit the moon, we'll hit Mars, then we're eventually going to make other planets and then other solar systems and black holes and galaxies and all that cool stuff. So this is a potential signal that things are getting ready to take off. I've been telling you guys for weeks, this thing is about to blast off. Comparatively speaking, this has been quite a long correction period for cryptocurrencies. We haven't really seen much long corrections like this at all for cryptocurrencies in their history. This is one of the longest correction periods. However, it is totally fine. And generally, when we have bull runs like we had, generally corrections, they can last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. We're approaching 100 days now. And that's quite some time, but it doesn't mean that things can't take off. Sometimes there's longer corrections, sometimes there's shorter corrections, really short corrections, and every single day with all of the indicators, I know that cryptos are about to blast off. That's why I'm letting you guys know, because it really is. In the next few days, the next month, a couple of months by the latest, these things will start to take off again. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. But everyone is saying, and they know it, that cryptos are going to start blasting off. And they're thinking this week, I'm thinking this week as well, we can start to see some green start to move back up in the crypto market, because we've been beaten down way too long. So things are about to take off. I understand fundamentally cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin, who's buying? All the whales are buying. All of this accumulation is happening. This massive jump from people into cryptocurrencies is happening, but the price is not reflecting it, which means that it's going to reflect it very soon. The price, based on all the information and the data, generally will reflect a massive bull run based on all the information and the data that we are looking at right now that I have been showing you on this channel. Especially check out my last couple of videos if you haven't. So we have some very good news in the crypto market despite all of that. Bitcoin price is set to rebound. The Bitcoin shorts and Bitfinex crashed by 25% after record spikes. The latest meltdown and these shorts could follow up with a spike in the spot Bitcoin bits, stated one analyst. So ladies and gentlemen, what this was showing, there's a lot of people shorting cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're shorting the crap out of it because it's in a bearish market. Things are just going down. There's just a lot of FUD trying to suppress the market. But these shorts, they got crushed yesterday. So now what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to buy some long positions to make up for their losses, potentially causing a short squeeze in the crypto market here very soon. Now cryptos are down. They've been down the last several days because of the GBTC, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust share lockup expiration, which is today. So today and tomorrow definitely was expecting some downwards momentum, just a little bit. But now people are realizing, wow, cryptos haven't really crashed like we thought it would on the unlock. Nothing's happening, so it's a non-event. So when people begin to realize this wasn't a event by any means, they're going to buy the crap out of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, which is going to send Dogecoin to the moon in time, hopefully very soon. So the reason why cryptos were suppressed is because of this, the FUD of people expecting there to be a major crash because of the share unlock for GBTC. It didn't happen. It's not happening. So people are going to buy back in. Take a look at this. Very good news. Dogecoin development could turn a joke crypto into a useful asset. I've recently been talking to some Dogecoin developers. One of them, Ross Nicole, through Twitch, and he was on a live stream the other day with Steven Steele. And Steven Steele asked him, you guys should definitely check out his channel. He asked him a bunch of awesome questions. Is there a bridge between Dogecoin and Ethereum? They're already working on it right now. There's a bridge with Dogecoin and Ethereum so that you can do smart contracts on Dogecoin, on the Ethereum network, and much more. Ethereum, they've been working with Dogecoin for a while. And the founder, one of the founders of Ethereum, the creators of Ethereum, says that he thinks Dogecoin will be the number 2 or 3 cryptocurrency in the future. That is huge. You should check out the Lex Fridman interview where Lex Fridman interviewed Vitalik Buterin about the same thing. Vitalik Buterin, he's the creator, one of the founders of Ethereum. So there's a lot of backing behind Dogecoin. There's a lot of upgrades coming. We have the fee reduction code, which is going to make Dogecoin the most competitive crypto in the space of transactional use, so that you can buy candy bars, cars, houses with Dogecoin at a pretty much free, almost zero fee to do all of that with, which is going to make Dogecoin a very strong competitor. There's a lot of things happening in the background that we don't know about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a joke. It's here to stay, and it's being worked on. It's being developed. Elon Musk is helping to push further the development of Dogecoin. He's been doing this for a couple of years. He's been working with Dogecoin for a couple of years, and he's going to continue to do so and help to make this one of the best cryptos in the world. As long as we are in the top 10, which we will most likely always remain, that is very good for Dogecoin. But I think Dogecoin has much further aspirations in the top 10. We are at like number 7 or 8 right now. I think Dogecoin could potentially be that number 3, number 2, number 4 spot and remain there for many, many years. So Dogecoin is not just a pump and dump coin. It's a real coin that has real usage. That's why it's holding its value. It's staying at around 20 cents. It hasn't dropped much further than that. It's holding its value despite the massive crash in the crypto market. It's still holding its value. Pump and dump cryptos, they go up and they go down and they stay down and never come back up. Dogecoin has been around for many, many years. It is here to stay, continue to grow along with the rest of the other really good cryptos. So let's go ahead and dive into some technical analysis. Let's see what's going on with cryptos. Where are we headed? What's up with Dogecoin? So Dogecoin yesterday, with that tweet by Elon Musk, sent Dogecoin soaring. Let's see how much we went up. Dogecoin went to 21% off of that. It was amazing to see. We had a big pump, and then we started to come down a little bit, but then we had some more pumps, and we stopped pumping around 4 o'clock yesterday and started to head down. I was definitely expecting a bit of a retracement, a correction after a massive pump. Whenever you see massive pumps in the crypto market, there will always be drops, pretty significant drops. So whenever you get back into substantial profits, this is what I personally do and what I tell people in my Patreon, and I now sell alerts. Once we start getting into substantial profits, when you get a very, very big pump, it's definitely good to consider taking profits, waiting for it to come lower, and then making another entry. That's if you're trying to trade it. Trading and investing are 2 different things. They're 2 different ways to invest. But other people are just going to continue to hold them. Like myself, I do trade, but most of my money is hold positions. I buy these dips and continue to accumulate. That's what I'm doing. Whenever Dogecoin and these cryptocurrencies dip, we now send the Patreon, we make an entry, and we continue to hold until these things really start to take off. Because us who are buying these crazy dips and seeing our accounts go down and down and down every single day are going to be very rewarded in the future. So Dogecoin was on this very strong downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. It's very strong, and it was looking ugly, but we ended up bouncing off of this buy zone perfectly. I told you all days ago when we were up at this level, this is going to be the buy zone. It's going to be a very strong level of support, and we did not surpass it. We did not go below it. We did not really enter into it, which is very good to see. Very bullish. Shows us a very strong level of support. We could, yes, with more FUD and things, we could end up breaking down. Not very likely right now. So we have to see what's going to happen the next couple of days. If the next couple of days end up happening, well, we need to break out of this triangle pattern and start heading up. This could be the reversal, ladies and gentlemen. This could be the absolute bottom of the bear market, which we are hoping, we are praying for, and it's very realistic to assume that because we've been in correction and oversold position for quite some time. Bitcoin also needs to break out of this bearish trend, but here we have a lot of fear and FUD in the market, suppressing the prices, keeping people fearful with their money on the sidelines, afraid to invest. So hopefully in the next couple of days, when the share unlock can be pushed to the side, the GBTC share unlocked, we have this Bitcoin event coming out, we have a lot of very good news and things happening this week. That should definitely start to give us a jolt into the crypto bull run, the second leg up, which a lot of experts are talking about is going to be happening here very soon. Some are saying this week they're expecting it. I would agree with them. That's certainly a possibility, a strong possibility, more so than other weeks. We've got a lot of this FUD now behind us and just good news most likely to come in front of us in our way for cryptos. So don't be upset, don't be discouraged. We are in a correction. It's a period of time where cryptos consolidate, trade sideways, go down, low volume. But there's going to be a day and a time when we least expect it, when cryptos are going to bounce up and go crazy. And they're going to bump there, and they're going to pump harder and faster than the last leg. They're going to pump harder and faster than the last bull run because there's more institutions, there's more money, there's more whales, there's more bears, there's more bulls, there's more retail investors. So this is going to bring the prices up faster and faster and higher and higher and higher and higher. And it's going to continue to do so as time goes on. So we need to continue to hodl with diamond hands, wait for this storm to be over with because we're in a bit of a storm, a correction storm. Things are just going down and going sideways, bleeding out. But there's going to be a day, boom, things are going to take off and you're going to wish you would have bought. You are going to wish you didn't sell out. Because one day you're going to turn your head and Bitcoin's going to be at 42,000. One day you're going to turn your head. Dogecoin is going to be at 40 cents when you least expect it. So we're going to continue to hodl and wait out the storm because those who are patient, they will be rewarded in time. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, it will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. If you guys got something out of the video, give me a thumbs up, share this video with some of your friends and family, put it on Twitter, Facebook, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you.